Kia job, approximately 1,800 square feet of ground concrete. Removed an existing stain and clear sealer. We've exposed some cracks that weren't visible previous to grinding. We have a technique that we'll use to patch those in between primer and color coat. Long section. You guys are wrapping up the cleaning aspect of the job. There's the power scrubber doing the wash. Basically puts down water, extracts it at the same time while scrubbing the floor, getting all the fine dust, latents off the floor. Show you how this